All right, so I want to quickly show you this system that pays you commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. And if you look here right now, you can even see the date. Look at that. Can you see the date? And you can look at that is today, and you can see that I received a commission payment of $1,080, guys. Can you see that? So this system actually pays you very, very well. It's a high ticket system that pays commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. Now, let me show you other commissions that I have received promoting this particular high ticket system. Now, let's go here quickly. All right, so this is this is the commission I showed you. Now let's check others. Can you see this? This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited, and you can see how much it is, $679 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But let's go on. Let's look at this. Now, this is another payment that I received from this system, and you can see how much I made there. $1,500 commission paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. So if you really want to make easy money online, you want a system like this, fully done for you, and all you get, you just earn high ticket commissions. Let's check another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from this system, and you can see how much I was paid. $1,004. How do you like that? It's awesome, right? I told you it's amazing. But let's check another one. Now, this is another payment that I received from this high ticket system, $642 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. So how do you like this, right? You can see the way the commissions are just so many. And look, like I said, if I can do it, you can do it also. But let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from this same system, $2,096 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But let's go on. Let's check another one. Look at this. This is another payment. How do you like that? $679 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But let me show you another one. Look at that. This is a $1,000 payment that I received from this system, paid to me. $1,000. Imagine you earning all this $1,000, $500, $2,000. How would you like that? Awesome. Now you'll be asking me, what is this particular high ticket system? So this system is called the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. This is a very powerful system, and like I tell you, with this system, all you need to do is to share your link. Every other thing is done for you. Now, by sharing your link online and then getting high ticket sales, you will be able to earn commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. Now, let me show you other people, right? You'll be thinking I'm the only one, but let me show you other people that are earning this $2,000. Now, there are thousands of members in the Team Builder system, but let me just show you a few of them, okay? Now, look at this. This is me when I got the high ticket sale and they congratulated me. Can you see that? But now look at another person. This is Marius Stander. Marius Stander also earned a high ticket commission because he's a team builder, right? That's why you want to be a team builder today. Now, let me show you another person. This is Bob Anderson Bishop. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Let's look at another person. This is Ida. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. This is Jonathan Wilson. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. This is Lena Bondel. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commission. Let's check another person quickly. This is Jill Blake. She's a team builder and you can see that she got a high ticket sale. But let's check another person. This is John Bitter. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Let's quickly check another person. This is Peggy Price. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commission. Let's check another person. This is Richard Hassan. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Let's check another person. Look at Daniel Martin. He's a team builder and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Al Amaro. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Look at who is it? This is Linda Lee Hogan. She's a team builder and you can see she earns high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Calvin Merrick. He's also a team builder and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another, but this is Janelle Rene. She's a team builder and you see she earns high ticket commissions. Check out Michael De Luca. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Jeff Drew. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Check another person. This is Paul Hammond. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Harry Thompson. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. So guys, look. If you are ready to earn high ticket commissions over and over again, just like me, just like all these members, you want to join the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. Now, what is this OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system? Now, like I said, this is a high ticket system that pays you commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. Now, with this system, you are also going to get all the training that you need to really make high ticket commissions, and also all the material you need to post free ads on social media, because that's how we make this sale. We just post free ads on social media all day long, and we attract a lot of people, and as they join the team builder system, we make those high ticket commission. Now, that's not all. This is a complete done for you system. What do I mean? Now, every other thing is done for you. Your only job is to share your link on social media. That is, just copy and paste free ad on social media for free and generate a lot of traffic to your team builders link and earn those high ticket commission. That's all. Now with this system, like I said, you don't need to create any product of your own. All the products have been created already. You don't need any technical skill because everything has been set up for you. You don't need to recruit anybody at all because everything is done for you. You don't have to call anybody. You don't have to do any selling. Why? Because like I said, this is a complete done for you system. Once you share your link on social media by doing simple copy and paste, now as people sign into your link, putting their name and email, the system takes over. The system follows up with them by email, organizes webinars for them, organizes training. They call your lead and close the sales for you. Can you see how simple it is? Now, let me tell you why this system makes money so much. Now, by you joining the OLSP TeamBuilders system, you will be able to earn unlimited 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale, guys. 200% commission. Now, while other people make 100% commission, because you are a team builder, you make 200% commissions when you sell the front-end mega link. Okay? Now, that's not all. You will also earn unlimited 200% second tier commissions in front end mega link sale. Now, whenever your team member sell the mega link, you will also earn 200% commission. But that is not all. You will also earn unlimited second tier commissions on all products in the system. So whether your team member buys any product or they sell any product, you make money. This is powerful, unheard of for any high ticket system. So you can see why so many of our members are really making money. But that is not all. You will also earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale, guys. This is amazing. Now, if you are ready right now, you are saying, Victor, look, I just want to join this high ticket system right away. Now, all you have to do is this. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the OLSP TeamBuilders system. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now once you click the first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website. Okay, now all you have to do is very simple. Just enter your first name here, just like this. You see that? Then enter your best email address here. Then you see the green button that says click here to join now. Go ahead, click that green button. Now once you click that green button, that will now bring you to the OLSP TeamBuilders website. Okay, now when you get on this site, all you need to do is to watch the training videos, because the system have a lot of bonuses for you. So you go ahead, watch the training video here. After watching the video, come below the video to this green button that says click here to get instant access at $997. Now this is half price. This is half price. This is a bonus price, and you want to get it right now, because the team builders go for $2,000. All right, but when you go through my link right now, you are going to get it for $997. One-time payment, guys. This is powerful. One-time payment, and you'll be able to earn all those commissions I talk about, and also you will also be able to get all the bonuses that the system offer. Now look at other people that are making high ticket commissions with this system, and they are verified and documented. Look at this. This is Neil, $2,600 in commission. How do you like that? This is Albert, $2,600 in commission. This is Jesse, $2,600 in commission. This is Joy, $2,600 in high ticket commission. This is Lynn, $4,200 in high ticket commission. This is Prakash, $4,200 in high ticket commission. This is Jean, $4,300 in high ticket commissions. This is Dana, $4,300 made in high ticket commission. So if you want to join the team builders and start earning these high ticket commissions, all you have to do, click this green button, pay the half price of $997, and you will become a member of the team builders. All right, awesome. Now that is not the only bonus you are getting. Now when you decide today to join the team builders and join our team by going through my link, okay, and becoming a team builder, what you are going to get free bonus traffic from me. Okay, while you are doing your promoting, I will also be promoting your link for you, because I'm going to put your link in the traffic rotator for the team builders. How do you like that? Awesome. So these are all powerful bonuses that you get. So if you really want to be part of our team, click that link description below and join the team builders right now. That if you like this, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.